Number 151. What is the name of the gas that is used during photosynthesis? Answer: carbon dioxide. Number 152. What is the unit in which force is measured? Answer: newtons. 153. What is needed in order for work to be done? Answer: energy. 154. What is the name of the tube through which humans breathe? Answer: windpipe or trachea. 155. What taste is closest to sweet on the tongue? And that would be salty. Number 156. What is the name of the energy that is needed to get an object to start moving? And that would be mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is needed to get an object to start moving. 157. What would an animal that is a herbivore eat? A herbivore would eat only plants. 158. What is the name given to the process of removing harmful substances from water? And that would be purification. 159. What does an animal that is an omnivore eat? And that would be plants and animal. Number 160. What is an airborne disease? Which is an airborne disease? Is it measles or hepatitis? Our answer is measles. Number 161. What is the name of the force that stops us from floating into the air? And that would be gravity. Remember that gravity pulls all things to the center of the earth. Okay. 162. What is another name for the esophagus? And that would be the gullet. Answer: gullet. 163. Which instrument is used to measure humidity? Answer: hydrometer. 164. What is the name of the condition in which there are more people living in an area than there are resources to support them? And that is overpopulation. Answer: overpopulation. 165. What is the name of the red pigment in blood? And that's hemoglobin. What's the answer? Hemoglobin. 166. What is the difference between the way in which light travels through water and air? Answer: light travels faster through air and slower water. And the opposite would be true of sound. All right. Next one. 167. What is the name of the part of the eye on which the image falls? Answer: the retina. The retina is the place where the image is formed. Number 168. What is the name given to the quantity of matter that an object contains? And that would be mass. Answer: mass. 169. What is the sugar in fruits called? Answer: fructose. 170. What is the order in which colors appear in a rainbow? Answer: Roy G. Biv, as in red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Number 171. What condenses to form clouds from which rain falls to the earth? Answer: water vapor. 172. What is the name given to energy which is stored in an object but has the ability to do work? And that would be potential energy. Number 173. Name the three processes involved in the water cycle. Answer: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. 174. Which state of matter takes the shape of its container? Answer: liquids. 175. What is the direct change of a substance from a solid to a gas called? Answer: sublimation. And dry ice is a good example of that. Number 176. What is the name of the muscular tube that carries food from the mouth to the stomach? The esophagus or gullet would be the answer there. Number 177. What type of nutrients does one have to eat in order to prevent the disease kwashiorkor? Answer: protein. Protein is needed to prevent kwashiorkor. Number 178. What is the difference between how a black surface and a shiny surface respond when light shines on them? Answer: the black surface absorbs light while the shiny surface reflects light. Number 179. What name is given to the disease that is a deficiency in iodine? Answer: goiter. Number 180. What type of human teeth is used for cutting food? Answer, incisors. 181. Name the 4 types of teeth which humans have. Answer, incisors, canines, molars, and premolars. Incisors for cutting, canines for tearing, and premolars and molars. Number 182. Through which part of the plant is water vapor given off? Answer, the leaves. 183. What kind of energy is being used when someone is running? Answer, kinetic energy. Number 184. Which layer of the Earth's atmosphere is closest to the Earth's surface? And that would be the troposphere. Number 185. Give the names of 4 types of simple machines. Answers could be the lever, the pulley, the wedge, the screw, the inclined plane, and the wheel and the axle. Any 4 of those would work. Number 186. What is the right sequence of how sound travels? Through the ear bones, ear canal, brain, pinna, and eardrum. To rearrange those, and the answer would be pinna, ear canal, then eardrum, ear bones, and finally brain. 187. What are the 2 main types of carbohydrates? Answer, sugar and starch. Some things are sweet, or sugary, and some things are starchy. For example, yam is a form of carbohydrate, but it is not sweet, it is starchy. Okay, so we go to 188. 188, what is the name of the gas which living things cannot live without? Answer, oxygen. Number 189, what type of rocks are basalt, obsidian, and pumice? They are all rocks. Number 190, what type of rocks are shale and conglomerate? And they are sedimentary rocks. Number 191. What are the names of the organs that remove waste from the body? Answer, the kidneys, lungs, and skin, excretory organs. Number 192. What is the cutting down and removing of all or most of the trees in a forested area and replacing them with something else called? Answer, deforestation. Number 193. What is the name given to thin, wispy clouds which are very high in the sky and appear as if someone pulled a bigger cloud apart? Answer, cirrus clouds. Number 194. What are the names of the nutrients found in food? Answer, vitamins, minerals, water, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and oils. Number 195. If the weight of an object is greater than the upthrust of water, what will happen to the object? Answer, the object will sink. Number 196. What is the sugar in milk called? Answer, lactose. Number 197. Which vitamin does sunlight help to produce? Answer, vitamin C. Number 198. Which blood cells protect us from disease? Answer, white cells. Number 199. What gives plants their green color? Answer, chlorophyll. And finally, number 200. What happens to the iris in bright light? Answer, it expands.